Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Live Handmade, and today I'm here to announce the dates for the Sew Your Stash open collaboration for the month of October 2019. Sew Your Stash is an open collaboration where we all share our stitching projects, how we make it and show what we make out of our stash of fabrics. Many of us stitch and don't let that skill get burdened and hidden behind the piles of glue gun, paint and power tools. Let it come out, let your stitching, sewing skill come out and bloom. Pick up those fabrics that have been lying around. Think of the project that you always wanted to do and create something and share with everybody. This collaboration is just to inspire all of us to use up our stash, inspire others with our projects and share it on an open platform. So I just have a date, and this month's date is going to be 30th October 2019, which is falling on a Wednesday, and the time is going to be 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This video is an open invite, this is an open collaboration, and this is a collaboration for anyone and everyone who loves to stitch and would like to share their project. Some of my friends join me every month in this collaboration. Why not you also join us? My friends who join me every month are Kiki from Kiki DIYs, Christine from Less Than $10, Sharon from Sharon Monroe The Class Style, and Gliza from Made with Glee. You also join us and have fun. Let's be creative, inspire ourselves and others. Take care and see you soon.